Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin D3 capsules. We'll cover the easy method for incorporating 60,000 international units into your routine. This guide will help you understand the best practices for dosage, timing, and maximizing absorption. By following these simple steps, you can effectively support your overall health and well-being with this essential nutrient. Let's get started on your journey to better health. When taking a 60,000 international unit vitamin D3 capsule, it's generally prescribed as a once-a-week dose. This higher potency is designed for less frequent administration, making it convenient. Always confirm this schedule with your healthcare provider, as individual needs vary. Regular, consistent intake, as advised by your doctor, is crucial for effectively raising and maintaining your vitamin D levels over time. To maximize the absorption of your vitamin D3, always take it with a meal that includes some healthy fats. Since vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, consuming it alongside fats like those found in avocado, nuts, or olive oil significantly enhances its uptake by your body. This simple practice ensures you get the most benefit from each 60,000 international unit capsule. Remember to store your vitamin D3 capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. It's also wise to have your vitamin D levels checked periodically by your doctor through blood tests. Always inform your healthcare provider about all supplements and medications you are taking to avoid any potential interactions and ensure your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.